Welcome to the XS Electronic Circuits channel. 74151 is a high-speed 8-input digital multiplexer. It provides, in one package, the ability to select one bit of data from up to 8 sources. This IC is a logical implementation of a single pole, 8-position switch with the switch position controlled by the state of 3 select inputs, S0, S1, S2. Both assertion and negation outputs are provided. The enable input, E, is active low. When it is not activated, the negation output is high and the assertion output is low regardless of all other inputs. If you liked this video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell. Here the 3 select inputs S0, S1, S2 are 0, so the state of input I0 is selected to transfer to output Z. Initially when I0 has a value of 0, the LED is off, that is, the output Z is 0 because input I0 has a value of 0, now input I0 becomes 1, so the LED turns on. Here the inputs S0, S2 are 0 and S1 is 1, the number 2 is selected, which means the state of input I2 is selected to transfer to output Z. Initially when I2 has a value of 0, the LED is off, which means the output Z is 0 because input I2 has a value of 0, now input I2 becomes 1, so the LED turns on. Here, if we change the other inputs, no change is observed in the output, because the state of the select switches is 2 and only the state of I2 affects the output. Here, the inputs S1.S2 are 1 and S0 is 0, the number 6 is selected, which means the state of input I6 is selected to transfer to output Z. Initially, when I6 has a value of 0, the LED is off, which means the output Z is 0 because input I6 has a value of 0, now input I6 becomes 1, so the LED turns on. Now the other inputs are changed, except input I6, changing the other inputs will not have any effect on the outputs. Now all 3 select switches become 1, meaning the number 7 is selected and the state of input I7 is selected to transfer to output Z. Initially the LED is off because I7 is 0. Now the input I7 becomes 1, so the LED turns on.